Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. So finally, the engineers came and then installed the machine itself, right? And let me just tell you before that this episode is likely to be a long video, so just keep that in mind and maybe get some popcorn and let's roll it. In a bit, I'll be taking you through, the whole system and all the components. I'll be introducing you to all the components and the rest. Please do well to subscribe to this channel because it's only good things that are coming. And if you later feel even unsatisfied, you have the liberty to unsubscribe. So do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it. Alright, let's get to it. So from the onset, this is the intake. As you can see, this is the intake, right? This is where the maize will be poured. Okay, so this is the intake, and then there is a belt in this conveyor. This is called a conveyor. There's a belt like caps which will be picking the maize from here all the way to there, to this system that is known as the cleaner. Okay, so this is the cleaner. This is the cleaner. So what it does is that when the maize comes, when the maize reaches here, it will pass through from the intake to the conveyor all the way to this cleaner. And even before that, there is this blower, right? So this blower will take the dust from it. Okay, so in the cleaning process, there are different areas. The dust will first be taken out from here. You can see a motor on top of it. Okay, so the dust will be taken out from there, and then the maize will come with the hard particles, like the hard waste. Okay, so this is the cleaner. This is where all the other waste will be taken out. Okay, these are not part. These things belong to the engineer, and you come for them. Okay, so it's like that. This is the cleaner, as you can see. So what it does is that you can see this outlet, right? So this is going to take very small, the very small waste will be passing here, and then the bigger waste will be passing here, and the maize itself will be going through here to this side. This is the outlet for the maize. Pure clean maize will be passing here, and then from here you can see this long metal pole here. It is called the auger, right? So the auger is supposed to take the whole maize to the bed. This is the bed, right? So this is the bed. This is where the whole grains will be poured, ready for drying, right? So let me just take you around the bed. Right, this is going to be the where we are going to set the fire, and we'll come to it in a bit, but let me take you around the bed. Okay, so it has two sides, as you can see. All right, so the auger is going to fill the whole bed up. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you should subscribe and follow this journey. If you are new here, there are other videos on the channel that will introduce you to the whole process, the whole journey that we have undertaken. And I want to appreciate those who have already been here and those who have been watching and supporting and then sending their comments. We appreciate all the comments, and continue to comment. I will make sure I reply every single one of them. So this is the bed, right? You can see that in the bed there is a space. I'll take you to where the space is, the entry of the space and what it does. Right, so this is the entry of the space. If you can see, this is under the bed. Right, this is under the bed. And what happens here is that this is the fan that carries the heat. When the fire is set at the other side, this is the fan that carries the heat and then blow it to the under of the bed, right? So as you can see,
huge. It's 16 by 15 feet. That's the measurement. So that's where the heat will go, and then the heat will come up, right? The heat will come up to heat and dry the maize, which is all the grains, which is going to be poured on top of the bed, right?
So let me take you to the fire, right? Where we are going to set the fire. Okay, so it's like this. We are going to set the fire this way, and then this metal piece will be put on top of the burn bricks, right? So the fire will be put on top of I'm sure by the time we start operations, which is going to be very soon, God willing, we are going to see how this fire will be set and how the fan. This is some heavy duty fan, as you can see. Some heavy duty fan, very heavy. You see, it is no joke fan. It's some heavy fan, taking a lot of heat and air, fire, heat and air, right? Cool or warm or hot air, all the way into the bed, into the dryer itself. Sorry. Okay. So it's like that. Alright, it looks like I was even able to make this video a short one. If you have questions, please ask them, and I'll make another video to explain. Right, so lucky for us, the systems has been put in place. There are few touches that will be done. The engineer will come back later to do those few touches. So that is it, guys. Thank you for being part of us, for being part of this journey from day one. Thank you very much. And then, alright, let me just show you this. This thing you're seeing here is a collector of the waste that will be blown out of the blower. What I said initially. The blower is this will be placed outside. Yes, this will be placed outside. So the blower will blow the waste, the very minute, very tiny particles, and then it should be collected. A sack will be hung here, just to collect them. So this thing will go out. Okay, so let me just take you a quick round around the whole system.